Hello kiddos! Let's learn today 10 fruits name in English. Let's start. The first fruit is peach. Peach. Peach is a soft, juicy fruit with a fuzzy skin and a sweet taste. It's full of vitamins and is often used in desserts, juices and jams. Peaches grow well in warm weather and are loved for their fresh aroma. This is kiwi. Kiwi. The kiwi is a small brown fruit with a bright green flesh inside. It tastes slightly tangy and sweet at the same time. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C and make a great addition to salads or smoothies. This is cherry. Cherries are small, round and bright red fruits that grow on trees. They taste sweet or slightly sour and are often used in cakes, ice creams and juices. They are also packed with antioxidants that keep you healthy. Do you love cherry? If yes, give a like to this video. This is coconut. The coconut grows on tall palm trees near beaches. It's a hard shell, white flesh inside and refreshing coconut water. People use coconut for food, oil and even skin care. This is muskmelon. The muskmelon is a large brown fruit with a sweet orange or yellow inside. It's a summer favorite because it keeps your body cool and hydrated. Muskmelons are rich in water and vitamin A. This is lemon. It's a yellow fruit known for its sour taste. It's used to make lemonade, add flavor to food and even for home remedies. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C and help boost immunity. This is black grapes. Black grapes are small, round fruit that grow in bunches on vines. They are sweet and juicy and can be eaten fresh or used to make juice and wine. They are also great for healthy skin and digestion. This is pineapple. The pineapple is a tropical fruit with spiky outer skin and juicy yellow inside. It tastes both sweet and tangy and is full of vitamin C. Pineapple juice is refreshing and perfect for hot summer days. You love pineapple? Oh, me too. This is watermelon. The watermelon is a large green fruit with sweet red flesh and black seeds. It's one of the best fruit to eat in summer because it keeps you cool and hydrated. It's made up of almost 90% of water, perfect for refreshment. Oh, this is one of my favorite. Can you guess? What's the fruit? Yes, this is strawberry. It's a bright red fruit with tiny seeds on its surface. It tastes sweet and juicy and is often used in cakes, milkshakes, and ice creams. Strawberries are full of vitamin C and make any dessert look beautiful. Well done, kiddos. So, these were 10 delicious and healthy fruit in English. Each fruit has its own taste, color, and benefit. Tell me, which one is your favorite? Tell me in my next video. Till then, bye bye. And if you love this video, give a like and subscribe my channel for more fun learning videos like this. Wishing you a happy new year and Merry Christmas in advance. Bye bye. Take care.